Hello everyone, welcome to Housing. My name is Shruti and today we will be doing the teaser video of Godrej Properties located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. Well, talking about Housing, Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, giving them rock bottom rate and helping them buy their dream homes. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location. Behind me is the marketing office of Godrej Properties, and after which you can see the neighborhood localities. This project is located bang on Shamshabad Road, which is also connected to the Bangalore-Mumbai highway. Well, talking about the project overview, this project is being constructed in 13 acres of land parcel with a total of 9 towers. And this project is going to be launched in 2 phases. Phase 1 with 5 towers and Phase 2 with 4 towers. This project is going to be 3 basement plus ground plus 33 floors. Well, this project will be having luxurious 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK apartments with luxurious amenities. Coming to the location part, this project is just 5 minutes away from upcoming Forum Shopping Mall, 5 minutes away from the upcoming High Court, 10 minutes in reach from the Outer Ring Road, 15 minutes away from Rajiv Gandhi International Airport and 30 minutes from Kokapet Financial District. Further talking about the amenities part, this project has 50 plus ultra luxurious amenities starting from a clubhouse with 75,000 square feet of area, a climate controlled swimming pool, yoga track, open gymnasium, walking and jogging track, kids play area, cafeteria, rooftop dining and much more. Coming to the configurations part, as said, this project will be having 2 BHK starting from 1300 SFT going up to 1400 SFT. Talking about the 3 BHK starting from 1650 SFT going up to 2350 SFT, and at last 4 BHK with 2900 SFT. At last, talking about the booking process, well, this project is an upcoming project, and if you are interested in this project, you can click the link mentioned in the description box and book your slot. We will reach out to you with a short presentation and give you all the necessary details you need to know. After which, you can enroll yourself in EOI, which is expression of interest, yourself as a priority customer for multiple benefits such as offers and discounts, and for getting a better inventory. Well, if you are interested in this project, you can enroll yourself as a priority customer by giving us an EOI, which is expression of interest. EOI for 2 BHK goes with a non-bankable check of rupees 6 lakh. EOI for 3 BHK 2T goes with a non-bankable check of 7.5 lakh. EOI for 3 BHK 3T goes with a non-bankable check of 9 lakhs. And at last, EOI for 4 BHK goes with a check of 15 lakhs being non-bankable too.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.